Another group in the Midlands this weekend held an event to honor our wounded warriors. It's called Heroes on the Track, and it puts veterans, actually puts them on a racetrack.
They didn't have a gauge on there, but I could probably tell you it was well over 100.
Normally speeds like this are illegal. On this day, they were welcome.
It's kind of like a Disney ride.
Jody Lee Piercy is one of 32 wounded warriors who got to ride in cars like these. The mission, to help integrate these soldiers back into civilian life. The experience, unforgettable.
The quickness of the cars and the braking, the cornering, the way them tires stick to the road and all.
Even though not all the troops found the track forgiving,
got thrown around a lot.
The effort was appreciated.
That was worth my while.
For Piercy, the ride was nostalgic.
Growing up, I was always the one with the older hot rod cars, fixing them up for speed and stuff like that, which got me in a lot of trouble as I was younger.
He's one of many whose sacrifices have earned him a ticket to ride.
And it's something I've always loved doing, so this was an opportunity of a lifetime for me to come out here.
This was Heroes on the Track's first event in South Carolina. They hope to do more in the future.